So out here in the suburbs, there's this unwritten social contract that dictates that I have to mow my lawn every once in a while. I'd rather let it grow really high, but my neighbors get pissed off if I don't mow it. So I pulled out the mower, I put gas in it. Let's get it started and go. I've never mowed a lawn with one hand before. Trying to think of some kind of narration for this. It's really boring. What can I say? I'm driving a lawnmower around. Oh, here's one thing. This lawnmower is fantastic. I got this lawnmower for free. And it runs great. It's self-propelled, but I'm not trying to do that one-handed. One time, I touched the muffler on this lawnmower and burned my hand, but I got better. Let me go over some leaves. Fuck raking. Just mow the goddamn leaves. Woo! Alright, my arm is wearing out. I don't know how people do landscaping all day. Maybe they go to the gym all winter or something. There's some onion grass. Look at that shit. Ah! Got it good. Well, I don't know, maybe not. I have a pretty small yard. At least a small front yard. I'm gonna switch hands. I can't switch hands. Whoa! I can't switch hands unless I hold the little lever. Otherwise the engine stops. Alright. Now here's the first conundrum. I'm not really good at pushing this thing with my right hand. There we go. But my left hand is too tired. I guess mowing the lawn is kind of therapeutic. Alright, I'm gonna have to switch hands again. This is not working. Alright, that's better. I am a male. Here, let's mow this weed. Yeah, let's just mow some shit. Okay, I feel better. Like I was saying, I am male, so there is something about mowing the lawn that appeals to me. Look, I'm gonna use the self-propulsion now. Look at the wheels spinning. Oh, that's a lot better. Going around the turn. Gotta get past my mailbox. I don't have a weed whacker, so it's just as close as this mower gets. So we're over 4 minutes into this video. I can't imagine that anyone would watch it. Why do you want to watch me mow my lawn? It's not like I'm a celebrity or anything. Now my hand really hurts now because I'm holding two levers. The one on the bottom is for the self-propel. The one on the top is for the engine. I should probably just hold them down with a zip tie or something, but that's dangerous. You don't want to fuck around with a mower. I probably should have made a funny video, like put a bunch of stuffed cats or something on my lawn, bunch of weird shit, bottles of High C, soda. Who the fuck throws garbage in my yard? Look at that. I do not drink dowser water. Litter bugs. I'm not gonna mow that. Uh-oh. That's what happens when you have the self-propel and you pull the mower backwards. Forward gear only. I probably should treat my mower a little bit better, because it certainly treated me very well. So how do you get a mower like this for free? I mean, shit, this has got to be a $200 mower at least. You go to Sears. So you get this for free by just finding somebody who decided that they don't want to mow their lawn and they'd rather pay a landscaper to do it. And then their wife says, hey, get rid of that mower. I'm sick of tripping over it. And after a year or two, the guy finally gives up on his ideal and he lets his wife just give me the mower. And no, she doesn't give me anything else. I'm not that kind of guy. Look at these leaves. Anybody who rakes leaves has got to be a moron. No offense. I know you're not a moron. But you can just mow your leaves. All right, back to the grass. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I'm totally wasting my time right now. But on the other hand, I'm doing my neighbors a favor. You know, we all live on this nice little street, and part of the deal is you mow your lawn once in a while. It sucks. It's stupid, but what am I gonna do? Move to a condominium? Hell no. I should probably make another one of these videos in the summer when the grass is really high. Because right now it's kind of low. Alright, I'm gonna have to switch hands again. Let's see. Alright. I switched hands again. My neighbor's kids probably think I'm insane. Videotaping. Making a video of myself mowing the lawn. But they think I'm insane anyway. I live in a neighborhood with a lot of really nice, normal people. And I'm completely out of my tiny little mind. So, it kind of sucks for them. But big deal, right? At least I'm mowing the lawn. One year I didn't mow it for like months at a time. It was really nice, you know? All this high grass. But now I'm trying to be a good little Hank Hill. Keep my lawn clean and shit. Of course, maybe I'll make a video about me trimming my shrubs, which I haven't done in years. Seriously. If you saw the bushes in my yard, you'd think you're watching a 70s porn movie or something. And it's April, so nothing has started to grow yet. Now I'm almost done. I can't believe this didn't take that long. I don't have to be too particular about it because the grass is really short. And honestly, I think going through the motions is just going to be enough. I don't think think I'm the first person on the block to mow my lawn this year, but I think I'm the second. It's not really a block, it's a street, but whatever. So, let me clean up a couple more little spots by this little tree. And I'm not going to be too particular about it. So, I guess that's the end of the line. So, there's a video of me mowing my lawn. I have no idea why, but I hope you enjoyed it.